we'll guide you through how to install Fullbright for Minecraft. If you guys find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, ringing the bell icon, and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. So if you want to install Fullbright for your Minecraft, the first step we should do is come over to our browser, whichever browser you're using, and we actually need to install from a website. I like using CurseForge, so just write in curseforge.com and hit enter. This is the main page of CurseForge. We can just open up Minecraft. And before we continue downloading Fullbright, I have to say a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. They offer lag-free customizable servers ready in just minutes. You could host your adventure right now. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support and automated backups. I have tried it myself many times. My friends also use their service. It has never let us down, so make sure to check it out in the description and the pinned comment. And then we can search here. We can type in Fullbright UB, because this is the name of the mod. This is Fullbright UB, and this is the best one because it works if you have Sodium, Optifine, or if you don't have any of those, and it also works for the vanilla version. We're going to click it open. We're going to go into Files, and then once you're in the Files section, make sure you get Fullbright for the version of the Minecraft you're using. I'm using the latest one, which is 121.11. So in this drop down where it says game versions, I will just quickly check, and it indeed does support the version of Minecraft which I'm using. So just click on the three dots, click on download file, and it will start downloading. Your downloaded file will most probably go into your default downloads folder. I will now go on and start up my Minecraft launcher so we can actually integrate the mod with our game. When the Minecraft launcher is loaded up, we actually need to go to the installations tab up here. Click on that. This is the most latest version. If you see it here, great. If you don't, just click on new installation, and then from the version drop down over here, select the version that you want. And for example, if you wanted 1.20.4, it will say release 120.4. Just click on that, and then you can go ahead and install it. But we don't need that, so we just need the latest one. Go into play, make sure the right version is selected, and click on play. Once we're in the game, all we need to do is go into options, resource packs, and then click open pack folder. The Fullbright mod that we downloaded, we actually need to put it inside this empty folder, and then it will start working inside the game. So I have my Fullbright download right here. I just need to copy it or cut it. It's your choice completely. Come to this empty resource packs folder and then paste it over here. And as you can see, it's popped up right behind me instantly, and now it's available for us to use. Right now we're not using it, so all we need to do is click on this play button and it will appear in the selected section. Click on done and the mod will load up. When the game is loaded up, we can now head into a single player mode or multiplayer. However, before using it in a multiplayer server, make sure to read the server rules to see if they allow the Fullbright mod to be used in their server. Otherwise, just use it in a single player experience. I'll just go into my own world to test out the mod pack. You won't notice much of a difference in daytime, so if you go ahead and click on /time set midnight and click on enter, it will be midnight now, and as you can see, it's very bright. It's usually not this bright. I'll show you guys in a second. If you go to options, resource packs, and remove Fullbright, click on done, and without any mods, without Fullbright, it looks much darker. So we hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and peace.